Wow! Just when I thought I'd seen it all. Back in my day, all I had was a Walkman. And now I have this wonderful thing that just pops up on my windscreen and shows exactly what I need. Directly on the road I'm on. Speed, navigation, traffic signs, assist systems. No distraction, just action.
The AR head-up display in the ENYAQ IV.
Be in total control of the road like never before with the head-up display. You can see navigation, assist systems, and speed in real time. To adjust the head-up display, go to Menu, Vehicle, Interior, and Head-up Display. From there, you can switch it off and on and adjust its position to your comfort. You can also tap or swipe to adjust the brightness level and choose which helpful features you'd like to be shown, apart from speed, which is always displayed. We wish you safe travels with the head-up display, and we hope you're enjoying your new Škoda.
Škoda. Simply clever.